You will need the following tools and cable ties. These 3 panels must be carefully removed with a plastic wedge. Find the OBD plug here. The OBD plug is loosened by inserting a small screwdriver into the 3 places shown in careful wiggling. The OBD plug is pulled out of the bracket, connected to the adapter cable, and the new OBD plug is attached to the original bracket. The long cable of the adapter cable is guided to where the connected cars unit is to be mounted. Connect the long cable plug to the connected cars unit. The unit should be secured with cable ties through the marked holes. For the easiest installation, guide the cable ties through the connected cars unit first. The car logo on the unit should point outward. Tighten the cable ties. The connected cars unit must be secured tightly. Gather the cables with cable ties and attach them to the back of the metal plate on which you've mounted the connected cars unit. Cut off all ends of the cable ties. Reinstall the panels. Remember to pull the sealing strip over the panel again, as shown here. The installation is now complete.